Hello, this old refrigerator suffers from frosting problems in the icebox. Quick question, what's wrong with it? The evaporator is on the end of this single pipe, and the capillary tube, I'm not quite sure if it's in the correct form. It's wrapped around the end of the condenser here, and it's just floating about. There can't be much wrong, but quick question, why is this refrigerator getting too cold and frosting up? The door seal is fine. That goes up to the condenser, and that goes to the evaporator, and that's the end of the condenser circuit. Any suggestions? Much appreciated.